Hello everyone, so some of you guys must have seen the video I made about this particular person that I saw on LinkedIn, right? Right? You guys remember when I made a post about how good our GitHub portfolio was, right? Let me just quickly play. Let me just show you a quick one, right? So I'm going to forward this to the part where I compared my GitHub and her GitHub, right? Right? So this is our GitHub, and and right. So this is how my own GitHub looked like a few days ago, like 2 days ago, right? So I've made any changes, and I promise that I will show the after if this thing. So now this is my GitHub. It's on my featured section. So once I click on it right now, okay. Now this is my GitHub after it was that terrible. So this is it, and this is everything that I've edited. Now, I also made a promise saying that I'm gonna give you guys the code, right? As you can see now, um the irrelevant repositories has been removed, and as you can see, I even have some more stars on some of my projects. So I made this readme. So now, how do you guys do it? I made a template, right? So if you come over to these repositories, if you click on my profile, so what you have to do now is that you can either clone it, right? You can clone this particular repository by clicking here, or you download it, right? And then once you open it up, you will see already template for you. This tagline can be about 5 here, but you can reduce it. There is your name, there is your title, your role, other taglines, what you're working on, and then you can now change all this to your own details, your email, your LinkedIn, the projects that you have, the contents, your frameworks, your tech stack, and your current streak, right? This is just a template, right? So this is how the templates will look like. So if you actually want to how do you actually make it on your profile, right? That is very simple. When creating the repository, you have to ensure that the repository is the same as your username. Now, I'm going to change the name of this repository, right? So let me just quickly, then I'll click on rename. Once you click on new repository, then you type your username. My username is Peter Lightspeed, so I'm going to type Peter Lightspeed, and then GitHub will show you that you can see Peter Lightspeed is a special repository, blah 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 blah. Then you add a little bit of description, and then you click on this add readme, and then once you click on create repository, GitHub will create a repository for you, and you will have this already made template, right? This is how it looks like. You get what I'm saying? So once you go over to my repository back, you can then copy the code and click on this pencil icon here, then paste all of it. Just remove all this that are here, and then you paste the code, and then you start making your edits. And then once you click on commit, and then you check your profile back, you will see the word. And this is just having hide there, right? So if I go over to my profile, you will see just hide there, right? So I don't want this to be my readme. So I'm just going to change it, and that's basically all you need to do. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want more tips like this, be sure to drop a like, and big thanks to Jennifer for giving me a heads up on this. Even like just by making that post made me see our GitHub, and I managed to change mine. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. So if you have any questions, let me know. Bye for now.